Okay, so I'm just getting up, doing my red light therapy, but I need you guys to know that even though I mostly work with the energy in our bodies and I teach that, your house has energy too. So I just moved, and one of the things that I do, like when I was visiting my daughter, we were staying at a really nice hotel. I still clear the energy, right? But I also call in energy. My new home has its own energy sentinel, not for protection, because I think a lot of people do, are like, I need to protect the home, I need to call in protection energy. If you remember, I don't remember the cartoon, they called the house Casita, right? Somebody knows the name of that cartoon, type it for me below. But the house was alive, essentially, and it protected them, and it let them know when their energy was being drained, and it helped them accomplish things, right? Your home has that ability as well, and there is a way to infuse that energy into the home. There's a way to protect or project that energy out and teach it how to engage with you so that your home itself feels and is alive, right? You want to be in places that are pouring life into you and not draining you. I have been in some houses and I know the energy in that house is like, we don't like her, she needs to get the fuck out, because my energy and my frequency doesn't allow the energy to move the way it wants to move. Okay, but the energy in my home is set up in a way to where not only am I free to move, but it stops people. It contains people. When I have guests who show up here who get past my own filter, it will contain them so they don't drain me. And I don't have to figure eight them behind their backs, right? My home, my plants, the trees. And I'm thinking about this, and I wanted to share this with you because I've just moved. So I'm doing this energy work in my own home. I am connecting with the trees and the bushes that are around this home so that we are one. We can communicate. They can let me know. They can protect me and all that good stuff. So if you are interested and you'd like me to do a series on this, I definitely will. But I will be back when I'm done with the red light to show you how to remove energy from yourself that you've picked up, because that's been like my question number 2, most asked question over the last 30 days. I'm going to do another video on that. And if you are really called to this work, I did a 2-day energy healing workshop. The replay is available. And later this month, December 20th, I think it is, I am going to be doing a full, it's going to be about 2.5 hours. We'll probably go over, but teaching you how to clear all the energy and emotional blocks that are keeping you from financial abundance. So we're going to remove the blocks. We're going to expand your energy. We're going to learn how to not just call in money, but all of the aspects that you need to be able to maintain money, to grow money, and wealth systems to make it literally the baseline of how you live and how you receive money. And so if you are interested in that, I just put that on sale. It's up there. Do your thing. I love you guys, and I am still answering questions. And if I have not answered your question, please comment again. I'm getting to all of them though. I'm working through them, but I did just move right before Thanksgiving. So anyway, love you. Bye.